What's up, guys? It's your boy Eardrum Assassin. Today we got the Air Jordan 1 Mid Fearless for the men. Red box, black logo. Here's your label. Read your labels like Jizza, Wu-Tang. Read your labels, son. Gotta read your labels. Retail is $130. Reads Air Jordan 1 Mid Fearless. Colorway is black, gym red, white. Size 11, personal pair. You got your gold Jumpman, your UPC label thingamabobber that you can connect to your phone from the Nike thing. Flip the box. We're gonna do this in one take, guys. You got your Nike stamp. You got your quality control stamp, wherever that thing is. You got your swoosh stamp down there. You got your Michael Jordan postcard. Limits like fears are often just an illusion. Michael Jordan, fearless, fear crossed out. Receipt. You got your paper. Once again, it says limits like fears are often just an illusion. Open these bad boys up. You got your white wax paper on the inside. You got your fearless tag on the right shoe. Your extra laces on the left shoe. Comes with an extra set of red laces in case you want to change these out, but these are pretty sick. Who said man was not meant to fly? Sorry guys, one take. Air Jordan logo. Look how nice that looks. These things are so sick in person. The swoosh is like a jelly material. I would say it's very similar to the Air Pocket on other Nikes, but it's just this thing. It's kind of squishy, which is dope. The insole comes with the tree, but I already took it out. So insole, red, has the fear crossed out logo. Once again, also limits like illusions inside. Has the red outsole. White midsole with the white stitching. I love how they're just black on black on black with like cherry. It's the varsity red there. It's so sick. The stitching and the lettering. The little quotes on the laces. The tag, obviously. Also, color match, stealth. These things are super stealth. I don't care what anybody says, and the quality on them is top notch. It's just, they're so clean, guys. If you didn't get your pair, man, you better get some, because these are part of the Fearless pack, and these are sick. If you're going for the full Fearless pack, you need to cop these. These are so fresh. Red Jumpman with the air on the tongue. Man, these things are so clean. These things are straight fire. Fire! Yo, if you enjoyed this preview of these Nike Air Jordan 1 Mid Fearless for the men, yo, hit that thumbs up for me. I really appreciate it. Like, subscribe. I'm gonna do some more previews on some other kicks that I got that are super dope and fresh. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Peace out.